Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I've got a cool gel polish to show you. I want to hear what your thoughts are on this. I'm going to show you the color chart. Let me know what you think about the colors. Name your top 3 colors. And there's a chance to win some of these colors. I'll talk about that in a moment. I've still got an injury on this nail. I wanted to be able to wear it, but I can't. So I'm just going to show you how you would use this. Of course, you prep your nail, you clean your nail, get all the skin off your nail, put your base coat down. Then you get out the goodies. This is what 10 lucky people from the US will be winning. And non-US, I have gifts for you as well. So stay tuned and I will tell you what that is. This is my first real look at it. I just opened the bottle up to say, ooh, what color is that? Oh, and this is XH04. This is the Snowflake Gel Polish by Modelones. The reason that it's US only is because it ships from the US Amazon. I'm not actually shipping it out. This is one of those that if you just put it on like this, you're not going to get a lot of the goodies. So just like with a regular polish, you stir it up, make sure that when it comes in that it's already to your room's temperature. You don't want it to be out there in frigid morning temperatures or something. Then you try to put it on when you get it in. So just stir it up. And just, you can mess around, gels you can mess around. You can move the little flakies wherever you want them. Just don't lay it on really thick. I'll probably do 2 coats to get nice, pretty coverage. Let me show you another color that I have they sent for me. This one is XH06. Let's see what color this is. It's going to be random colors. Ooh, look at that. I've been eyeballing them on Amazon for a while now. This one got a lot of the chunkies, which is good. I may not have stirred the other one up inadequately, but you just want to place it on your nail. You're not really painting your nails, you're just putting it on your nails. And you float it around to wherever you want it to go, and then nuke it before it dries. Before it runs into your cuticles. Okay, we got the first one back out. Let's give this a little stir. I've been looking at these for months now, wanting these. And I would just like to help them out, give them a little research. But even if you're non-US, please name off reasons you would like it, reasons you wouldn't like it. What are your top 3 colors? Please go ahead and just name that off for me. They will be looking at the comments of the video. Gives them an idea of what they want to do in the future. I said I would try to have my lovely YouTube family to help me with that. Okay, that one I wouldn't even put 2 coats on. I mean, it's gorgeous already. I really wouldn't put 2 coats on. I would just top coat this in and say that's gorgeous. I love it. Let me just make sure your lids are always cleaned off. You tighten them back up, keep them out of light. These ones do not have the little hole on the back for you to see, but I actually prefer that just because I'm around a lot of light and I could accidentally cure it. So this is 2 of the colors. You're always going to get a slightly different effect depending on how your placements of your cute little glittery goodnesses. So leave me a comment below. Name off the colors you like. Name off if you like the little chunkies in the snowflake. Just little flakes of goodness in there. Pink and blue, or pink and white in this one. Pink, blue, and yellow and white in this one. or at least I think it's pink. It's hard to tell because it's actually colored pink. These are like jelly polishes with cute little blinkies in them. So for the US, please down below, everyone list things you like or don't like about these collections. I'll put the colors at the end of the video. Name off the colors you like. It's just going to be random colors. There'll be 10 winners. I will put on the screen what day you have to enter by, and then I will do a draw video. For the non-US, I will be doing out of my pocket for 5 lucky winners, just a little thank you, a little envelope that will mail off from me. It's just going to be a one-time ship on all of these. It's a one-time ship. Model 1s will need email addresses, so the winners will need to provide me with a full US address and a correct email address. I believe they're going to try to give you tracking information. They're not going to be using your email for solicitation purposes or anything like that. And for me, I need my 5 winners for the non-US to please be able to give me an address to where I can write it onto an envelope, and I'll be putting adequate postage stamps on it and shipping it out. I won't have a tracking number. These are one-time ships. It's just out of the goodness of our hearts that we're doing this for you. I've worked this up. I've really worked on this for you guys. I mean, I've been in love with these colors for so long. I don't think there's a color on that chart that I don't like. I was so interested in what was Snowflake about it. And they would just like a little help in return by just saying things that you like, things that you don't like, just maybe a few colors that you like, things like that. So please leave it in the comments below. Remember, if I do not reply to your comment, I have not seen your comment. I reply to every comment. Every comment that I see, I reply to it. There is issues with the YouTube app and the YouTube website and the YouTube Studio app. Sometimes I can see a comment come in, I can't reply to it. If I do see it, I will enter you if you're a visible subscriber. And remember, you must be subscribed to my channel. Please do that. I'll put a link to these polishes down in the description with all the rules. In case I misspoke, the rules trump anything that I say. It will have the start date, the end date, and possibly the draw date listed. So the description box trumps everything that I have said. And the nail art will be possibly glitters, possibly water decals, a little SheModern, just little things that I can put into a first class US envelope and ship to you. Because I don't have a lot of money to ship things. Shipping is crazy expensive these days. Unless it's in a little envelope, it costs a lot, especially to non-US. Within country, it's pretty bad sometimes too. But I can afford one envelope to 5 lucky people. I just want to say thank you for everybody's support, for being subscribed. I will once in a great while, when I have something extra, say an extra stamping plate, something that I can ship in one of those envelopes with a couple of stamps, I will just use a random comment picker to just pick a comment. If it's not a rude, obnoxious comment, it could be any video. I will just do it and then I'll show it to you. A couple other channels have done this. As long as it's not rude, crude, mean. If it pulls up and it's something like, ooh, that's ugly, you're just gonna get tossed back. I'll tell you that right now. That's just how I feel. If you don't have something nice to say, just can't say an emoji, can't say thanks for sharing, anything like that, you can just put a heart, a thumbs up, an emoji of any sort, other than some of those nasty emojis. But you get my idea, right? I think we're all common sense here. So I will be using the random comment picker once in a great while, whenever I get something duplicate, because you've seen I won a lot of giveaways and I want to give back to you. I've been on YouTube almost a year now, and I really just want to show my appreciation to you. And please feel free, and please do share your favorite videos of mine on your social media, your Facebook, your Google Plus, your Instagram, your Twitter. I would really appreciate it. Give me a little tag, or just whatever. You don't even have to tag me. Just share your favorite videos. Always, that's like a YouTuber's dream, that you share our videos and you recreate something that we've done and give us a tag. Say, hey, Nails of Interest, I did this. Look, I did it different, but I want to just show you that you inspired me to do this. Someone, when I did my candy cane nail, said that I inspired them to go ahead and create. They knew what their accent nail was going to be. That was just touched my heart. I thank you all. I really do. You just don't know how much I'm appreciative of everyone, especially those that regularly comment. I really love that. I love hearing from you. I really think that y'all are my YouTube family and friends. I love hearing from you. Sorry, I'm rambling on. So again, that's 10 winners for the Modelones gel polish, the Snowflake. It's going to be a random color. I don't get to pick. You don't get to pick. Whatever's in stock, they will ship out to you as soon as they can. I won't have any tracking information on this, so keep that in mind. I won't know anything once I put your address on it. And last time I did have someone that didn't, their country, they don't write English. She just screenshot a picture, and I was able to take that to the envelope because it's not in any kind of writing that I could write. It's not the same characters. So she just wrote it in her language. I screenshot it, put it on the envelope. As long as you can do that and get it to me in a size that would fit about so big that would fit on an envelope, maybe I could shrink it down. That would be helpful to me too. If your country does not speak English, please let me know what country you're from when you win and you contact me, so that I can put it in English at the bottom to take it to your country. Sorry, I'm rambling on here. I'm just so excited. I've got more giveaways coming this month. Stay tuned. Make sure you comment on all the videos, even if it's just a little emoji, a little exclamation point, something that I know you've been here. TFS, thank you for sharing. You don't have to actually like what I've done. Just want to know that you were here, you visited. I guess that's all. 10 winners of random gorgeous gel polish. I wish I could be wearing it, but I've got an injury on right near my skin, and I don't want to take the chance. I've been waiting to film this for a while, and well, here it is. So good luck, everybody. I will be using the wheel again as long as that's in service for this giveaway. And until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.